Hey Soul, what's up? Hey Vic. Okay, now I'm gonna move my phone. Now whenever do a little whenever you want me to zoom in. Okay, here we go. Tell me where. This way? See my phone, it literally, now I can't see the display. That's why it's like, I'll finally find something that looks cool and then I'll end up stopping it and it's like, whoa. Okay, um, okay Beck, you're gonna have to be my eyes. What? Go back? Oh, oh, okay, yeah. What do we got here? Oh wow, I see. Good call. Thank you. I love you. Right here. I see. Okay. How about that? Hey Soul. Just surveying. I don't know. That's so cool. I like that. Alright. Wait, let's look at this really fast. I've never seen I've never seen it look like this. This almost looks animated, right? Oh wow. I've been missing out on some action. You Beck, you are so smart. I am an idiot. This is exactly what I was wondering about. The way it's able to, almost like Mercury, kinda, creates its own organization. This is perfect. Wait, are you trying to say something, Beck? Hey, turn that little radar on that you can potentially pick up. I mean, if this is something, it's gotta know something. How are you? if you want to be awesome, try to send a signal for that. Oh wow, hi. Oh, okay, okay. So I'm gonna move my phone, and if you pick up anything, so any kind of thing you make, oh, good call, good call. Let's see. Awesome eye. We need to start recording these. I need to start keeping up with y'all. I always miss y'all. So we have one, two. Oh wait, seriously? Back that up a little bit. Back up. Or, what? I think that thing's trying to tell me to look up. What direction? What? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, man. What is my problem today? You have an eye too? Awesome. Okay, we're going into the elements. See how long the phone lasts today. Alright, we don't have much time to work with, friend. Give us something. I'll be your photographer. Oh yeah, and then we're gonna listen for Vec. Survec space station, come in. Oh yeah, I see. Can you show signs of intelligence? Like really fast. I need it in 10 seconds, something fast. 5 seconds. Okay, pause. Alright, that was good enough.